What's up, friends in the hood, and a big peace to all my new watches. So today I'm going to show you a little upgrade on the XLF F16. It's a great car, so make the spur wider so it looks super cool, and I will make a cutout for the fan. So here's the fan from Surpass Hobby. That's really great, and here are the hub extenders and some nice hello Hexnuts in blue. So let's get the thing open. Now let me show you. So here are the pins coming through, and we have to secure with the rubber rings, and this is M3 screw to put it on the wheel. So let's open here's the fan for the motor, Super Hobby, with a little guard on it, and it had quite a lot of power, so super cool, really. A JST plug, and I'll hook it up to the balancer plug with a 5 volts down converter. It's better, so no worries. Let's start first with the hub extenders. It's a 12mm hex. So let me show you one thing, guys. So the hub axles are a bit thicker at the end than instead of the Wltoys. So we need to make the hole a little bit bigger. A little bit deeper, not bigger, deeper, and I can show you. So if you've done this, you can put it on. It's super easy, it fits so perfect, really. Just a pin through it, and after that secure it with a rubber ring, and that's it, we're done. Let's open our little bag and get out all screws and rubber ring and all the stuff we need. So I can show you that's inside, the little pins extra. We don't need it, the screw and the rubber ring. It's super easy. A little bit to widen it and put it off, and it fits super good, really. It stays in place and the pin won't come out. Very easy, guys. So now to secure the wheel, we need the M3 screw because of the hub. And not a Hexnut anymore, so I need to get some nice blue one. Yes, works perfect, everything. So we can adjust the wheels in front and in the rear, so it's for cornering. They're made like this. And now the front wheels, guys, for some new blue Hexnut. You know I love the stuff. So guys, and now the bigger part of the work. So let's put on the fan and make a cutout for our canopy. Let me show you the cables, so how to power the fan, guys. So these are the balancer plugs. It's from 3S, so because I'm driving on 3S, and super easy. So hook it up to the UBEC down converter to 5 volts, and you're just perfect. You can even run them on 2.4 volts on 2S, but yeah, it's a little bit dangerous because 3S is 11.1 volts. And fully charged 12.6 volts, so I think it will be damaged, the fan. So always working with these balancer plugs and with the down converter, and super easy, really. So let's bring this thing on the track, guys. Everybody's talking at me, and maybe I should turn it off. Really loud and powerful, guys, the fan, really much power. So let's make a touchy test how hard the motor is. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, no problem.
Filter me out, my mind is just playing. Heart is running wild, got me talking like a child. Finding my soul, I know I'm just fading. Lifting me up, I know I won't take this. Heart's running wild, yeah. I'm laying on fire.
Yes guys, and as always, please leave a thumb up, subscribe, and see you next week.